Mi 10 Pro is the most hyped phone of 2020. It packs nearly everything you wish to see in a smartphone. Recently, a bunch of new images were leaked showing how the phone will look like while giving out information on some of its specs. Coming from Mi 9 Pro, this will be a massive upgrade. The display will use hole punch design, and from the images, it looks like a single punch hole camera setup. There's no wide angle, no time of flight sensor, there is just a single camera. On the bright side, you get more screen to play with. The display also has minimal bezels with curved edges. I don't know whether it's just me, but the bottom bezel looks to be slightly curved, giving out more of a quad curved display feel to it. This time, Xiaomi did something surprising in the audio department. The speaker grills are present both at the top and at the bottom, meaning this time it will be a dual stereo speakers, compared to Mi 9 Pro which has mono speaker. The approach by Xiaomi is a little different though. The speakers are not placed on the front, which will surely be a hurdle if you are playing games, as this will block the audio. It's also leaked both Mi 10 and 10 Pro will come with the latest Snapdragon 865 chipset on board. Maybe this will be the first device to offer this chipset. And both Mi 10 and 10 Pro will offer 108 megapixel primary lens. Many of you might have expected different primary cameras for different models of Mi series, but this will be a huge relief having the same primary lens. Although rest of the camera specs are not completely known, but from the image at least we can be confirmed to get quad camera setup on Mi 10 Pro. If we compare Mi Note 10 Pro's camera setup with the Mi 10 Pro, then it looks like the macro sensor has been left out. Rest of the camera sensors might be wide angle lens, telephoto zoom and the depth shooter. A picture of a charging brick also leaked again, proving the presence of 65W fast wired charging. The base Mi 10 will get 48W fast charging system. From the past leaks, the battery capacity of Mi 10 Pro is said to be around 4800 to 4500 mAh capacity, and it will charge over USB-C port. Along with that, you also get to see the SIM card slot in the place of 3.5mm headphone jack. This should not be a shocker as Mi 9 Pro never had this. Up top you get Air Blaster, so that's something Xiaomi has persistently retained in its phones. This is a complete package of Mi 10 Pro, and for now information on Mi 10 is scarce. But it will be very similar to Mi 10 Pro with few changes in the specs. As for launch, it will likely launch the Mi 10 and 10 Pro flagship on 11th of February, clashing Samsung's launch event. For more such information, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out.